Pretty easy one to kind of close things off for this example here. Just creating a table of values and then drawing a sketch of the quadratic function. You do not have to do the table of values by hand. Nothing's stopping you from going x, y, and then cracking out a list of values for x, and then calculating those values of y. You can do that, but we can use some technology right here for us, and that can really make this a lot easier for us. So let's go ahead and let's open up Desmos, and what we're going to do here is we're going to type in our standard form equation. Negative x squared, I got a minus 4x, and then I got a plus 1. And what you can do here is you can push the little cog button here, and you can actually turn this into convert to table. So you can convert this to the table, and then Desmos does it from -2 to +2. That's cool. You can pretty much do anything that you would want in here. If you wanted to get a different value, let's say -4. 94, no, -4. Yeah, that's a little better. You can get any values that you want in there. The only thing that I would advise you to do here is please put this in like ascending for x. So I wouldn't really want to put the -4 over here. I want to put it before the -2. However, in this case, we're pretty much good with this. I don't really need too many other things for this one. I think I'm going to include a -3 just so that I can get something across from the vertex. And that's really it. So I'm just going to copy down this table here. As you can see, I have this. I'm going to put it back over here. I'm not actually going to leave this as my answer. I'm going to go ahead and make my own table that does this in the ascending values of x. So if I wanted to make a table, I got x, I got y, and I would start at the -3, the new coordinate that I would just do, and then I can just copy it down afterwards. -1, where are we at? 4, 0, 1, 1, -4, and we got, let's see if I can make that into a 2, and -11. So perfect, right from Desmos. Also from Desmos, we can get that curve as well. So we can go back to our Desmos here. And what we're going to do here, I really wouldn't like this quadratic right here. It's not showing you certain things that we know are important, such as like x-intercepts and things like that. And it could get pretty crowded if you were to use this as your graph. So what I would kind of advise you to do is just type in the equation again with the y equals and use that one instead. You could use the one that we just did. However, it gets a little busy. And if we have this, it's a little easier for us to see things like this. I'm just going to kind of increase our view that we look at here. Maybe kind of turn off minor grid lines so it's not too busy. And we can kind of use this one for it. Oh, I think I moved it. And can I get to that one? There we go. So kind of these kind of issues here. I think I might actually take out some of my x-intercepts here just because the question's not asking for it, but I'm going to leave in my vertex. So doing a quick sketch of it, we can include all of these. Don't need our arrowheads because it's going all the way down. And there's a quick little sketch. So I just wanted to kind of show you, take some time to make that table in Desmos. It can get those values for you, procedurally generate those values. You can enter more x values in to get to what the y coordinate would be. But then when you are creating that table of values, please make sure you start with the lowest x coordinate, and then you keep on going up from that. And that's just a quick little video of how to use that function on Desmos.